So hey all, in today's video we will discuss how can we create a custom hook for dark mode and light mode. In our multiple scenarios or multiple website, we need to create two modes of the for the theme for any websites. So multiple times at the when we toggling between the light mode and dark mode, we need to use a key or use a boolean value which give us exactly whether it's a current mode is the dark mode or current mode is a light mode. So for handling these things, we just need to write same logic for the light mode and dark mode. Okay, so we can create a custom hook which we just give us the exact current mode, and we can use that, and we don't need to write sim code again and again. Like for the example, I have created one toggle button on the behalf of which we just decide the current uh, mode for the theme. Okay, so currently it's a light mode. Once user click on toggle mode, then it becomes a dark mode, and the color of background is gonna black, and the color for this dark mode word basically it's become the white. And same again, if user click on the toggle mode again, it becomes a light mode, light background becomes white, and uh, l- the color of the text becomes black. So how can we implement this in the code? Let's for that, let's go to the VS Code. Before starting towards the code explanation, let me explain how the project structure is basically. And if you follow the previous videos also for the hooks, custom hooks and hooks, so you will know. Let me explain. So this is the normal structure as we know, where app.js is the parent, and where we call all the components child components. So currently I create a component named as useToggle component, and I just call it from here. Okay, and inside there is a components folder inside the src, and if you open it, I create a multiple folders for the different hooks which we discussed previously in the videos. So I created for the uh, toggle uh, between switch mode, dark mode and light mode, with the name of use toggle folder. And inside this I created a two uh, files basically. One is exactly use toggle.js, which is exact logic for the our custom hook, and second one is exactly this is the component which is basically render on the screen to check to test the logic and custom hook for our uh, custom hook for toggle. Okay, so let's go to the application app.js. Yeah, now if you go use toggle dot components, and here we saw like we create a state, and it's not basically a state. We created a custom hook inside this folder. Yeah, here we can saw we just write exact logic for managing the current mode. Okay, for the light and dark. So what we did basically, we created a use state basically with the name of a value which contains the initial value of mode basically. So what we did at the initial stage, we just pass it like false. False is basically represent here like it's a current mode is light mode. Okay, so because of that, when we refresh the browser and come for the first time, so by default it's in the light mode. Okay, this is light mode. Because of this, we pass the value as a false. So false represent here as a uh, light mode. Okay, so what the next, we just create a function with the name of toggle. What it did, it just changed the value of this state, value state. Okay, what it did, it just check whether if it's previously true, it makes it false. If it's previously false, it makes it true. So what happen if false represents light mode, that means if it's become it's already light mode, then it will make it a dark mode. Okay, so in the return, we just return the exact state, what is the current state of that mode. And this method function, this method which is responsible for changing or toggling the uh, modes between light and dark. Okay, so we get these methods and this method and state value, basically we get it in here in this form. So is dark mode is basically give us a true and false value, and this toggle dark mode method is basically a function we need when we call it, it just change the switch between dark mode and light mode by changing the boolean value. Okay, so here we just apply what we apply, like background color should be like white when it's uh, white. When it's false it will be white, else it will be black when it's true. Like dark mode is if true, that means we need to apply a dark mode, then it will be black, background color will be black, and same for the color. Like we just if it's a dark mode we need to write in the white color of text, and if it's light mode then we need to show the text in black color. Okay, and on the button we just call this toggle dark mode, and what this method do, just change the value of boolean value from true to false, false to true. So on the behalf of that we just swap, we just change all the dark mode and light mode. So for the same, if you want to use in your project, you just create this toggle method, uh, basically toggle hook, custom hook, and use it like saying here, and you will get easily switch. You are able to switch between dark mode and light mode for your whole project. Okay, so thank you.